So guys, yes sir, guys, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, this is the part 2 of this. Guys, this is too tall for my table, honestly. Let me just show you what I'm going to do now. I already glued the spider. See how this whitish look, it's gonna go away sometime. You see it glue, yep. So now guys, I'm going to glue it here, and the glue that I use is the lot of base. This is rubberized one I use for here. So I'm going to use this. So I'm gonna go around like this and circle. I'm not gonna touch it with my finger. Some people do that, but I used to do that. When I use that glue, I do that, but with this one I just, oh man, just put mine in the glue. So come on, wasting this. It's expensive. I think this little bottle is for, like, if I'm not wrong, this is the 2 ounce, like $18 or something. 18, if I'm not wrong, somewhere there. If I'm not wrong, definitely. So guys, yep. Do that, leave it to coil. Well, not really leave it to coil. I'm gonna do this cone at the same time. Then I put it on. So it take a couple seconds to dry, but not cure what. And also guys, you could use contact cement here. You don't want to go so fancy, you know, if you that's what you can afford. But a lot of speakers use contact cement and you don't come. If you know what you're doing, that thing will never come apart. Yeah. Contact cement, some people use the Patex, stuff like that. Some people use a lot of stuff. Some people use silicone, like the goose and stuff like that, yeah, but I use this you would say the right stuff, or you know. So now I would, so which side I mark a little. So guys, so next thing, just try to mark once you get the thing matches up. Well, let me show you. Sorry about matches up, guys. Please just mark a little area like here. So I mark here, so until here, so I'm gonna do this side to this side, so yeah, so we don't make a mistake. Once you get, yeah, that sit on the spider perfectly, and then I keep doing this. Or guys, I could put on the ring. Once I put on the ring, everything will be perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put on the ring. I slide it underneath, then I just put it on just like you know, a underpant or whatever. You know guys, you know. Yep. Yeah, put it on just like we put on your underpant, brief or whatever you wear, guys, panties and you know, whatever. Girls, as I said, ladies and gentlemen, you know. Could be a girl, yeah, you put it on just like you know, you put on the underwear from bottom up. So this guy, so that's how you put on this gasket. This helps to keep everything down. I did have a little buffer right here. I don't know why it's buffing, like it's like that. I didn't notice. Well, little buff, it comes like, yeah, it's not flat, guys. Yeah, I thought something was underneath this thing, but yeah, no, that's how it is. But yep. And then guys, I could run some sear glue because, you know, I didn't put any on the bottom here, so because I want to run it from the top. So let's show you guys what I'm doing here. Come on, camera. I'm gonna go around here Then I'm gonna have a flexi cone back and forth so you can reach to the bottom. See if you can, you know, guys. So soon have to buy some CA glue too. I'm almost out. I think this can do only one more subwoofer and that's it. This guy, so yep, I do that back and forth, side and side, side to side, just, you know, flex it a little bit and then yeah. Oh yeah, there's enough underneath here, so yeah. Use this actuator, we call it actuator. Yep. Whew. Yes guys, so that make it dry really fast, guys. That thing dry like, yeah. It's not cured yet. When I say dry, it's not cured, but you know, keep everything stiff for now, so you know can't make any, no glue will run, you know, glue will stop running if you don't want it to go in some areas that you don't want it to go to. Once you do that, it's just stop right there, and then that's where it's going to cure from. When you spray it, that's where it will be cured. So what I'm doing now, yep. I know some people might think I'm overdoing it with this. Now I'm not. This stuff they play them like crazy and Fred. These people, yeah, they don't play with them. So I have to really see glue this thing. They abuse this stuff, guys. They really do. Yeah, they abuse them. I hate it. I hate the idea of it, but you know, what can I do? They're paying for the repair. I told them, hey, it's gonna be this. Don't abuse it. And you know, they're saying they don't. You know, they are the competition, and the guy kind of, you know, some other guys, even though they don't have the power, they will just go up against somebody else. Just to prove a point, just to not look like a chicken. I said, hey, yeah, I'd rather look like a chicken and save my subwoofer than. But some people, yeah, they don't care. I think they have, as I said before, maybe they have the money. Yeah, they have the money to spend, guys. So, you know, I lost the top for this thing. What? Now I lost the top for the CA glue, and that's not good. And this thing will dry up if air get inside. Like some stuff can tell a boy. So yep, guys, that's how it is, guys. Yep. So that's it. Yeah, somebody worked on this before, guys. You could see this they use the epoxy and say, oh yeah, that's a really nasty job they did there, but I'm not gonna use no epoxy here. You could use epoxy more better but what they did, they take the dust cap off really poorly at first. So yeah, that's what I did. But when I get this one off, I use the e-gun and go around, and then that thing come up, the epoxy melted, so I just put a knife, one of those cake knife underneath, and just go around it in circle, and then I get it up. But this is what they do. They really damage this really bad. I could do a better job than this. Cause what I do, if you guys are gonna like remove this first, get a little knife like the box knife, and right where you have the edge of this. Let me show you. You cut. Don't go too deep. Just take a little mark it, a little cut it a little bit round, as close as to the, you know, the diameter of the dust cap. you cut it, just mark a little, you know how thin thick this is, and so you can go in a little bit, just mark it around, and then after you start to, like, eat this or whatever you're going to do. If you don't have any eat gun, a little flat cake knife or something, and go underneath it and take your little time, and just, yeah, and then it will not tear like what happened here. It's torn, so it looks kind of not nice. I don't, sometimes I don't like to do what I like to do like this, but what I'm going to do with it after with the glue, so everything will be okay and it will be looking good. So guys, that's gonna be it for now. If I have a bend test on this, I'll let you guys know, but for now that's how it's going to be. And then I soldered these just like this, guys, right here. You guys can see. So that's it. I soldered these just like that. And I was supposed to put some, look at this. What type of glue is that? That couldn't be the CA glue. Oh yeah, that's the CA glue running this side. Oh yeah, that does happen. I forgot this didn't. Oh my words. Yeah guys, CA glue is not over because this side I didn't activate it very good, but it's going to be okay now. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for now, guys, for this repair. If I do have benches of this subwoofer, I'll let you guys know, but now I'm gonna have to leave this overnight so it can cure, and then guys, that's going to be it for the repair of this TIMPANO, guys. This TIMPANO repair. So yep, voice coil and spider repair. That's it, guys. So I'll let you guys see the finished product after everything is okay. I'll let you guys know and see what's going on. So it's going to be looking like this. So that's it for now, guys. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and if you want any information on the voice call, I get it for this one. It's a lot of bass, guys, and the number is, as I showed you before, it's in the video, so you guys can see where I get it from. Just making sure everything is okay here, guys. Just making sure. So let's see if I see TIMPANO. Yes, guys. It's 12-inch TIMPANO right here. Let me make sure. Yep, that's it. Alright, guys, enough respect and bless up. See you on the stay tuned. Enough respect, and as I would say, guys, please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and I'll see you on the next one.